Hi, welcome back to yet another video. In this video, we will see how we want to sunset an AWS account. So with the modern hierarchy, due to multiple reasons, you would be creating an isolated account for your personal project. So in my case, last year, I got a chance to participate in IBM Innovathon, where we proposed our use case and then we got a credit of $400. So we got a chance to experiment on agentic AI, and we even ended up being a finalist in the entire hackathon project. So now the entire credit due line is nearing, which is like by end of the January. So if I let the account to continue running, then it's going to be the billing going to fall under my own account. So in order to avoid that, what I'm planning to do is I want to sunset this entire account so that whatever resource I created as part of the hackathon gets ditched, right? So that's the entire idea behind this part. So this can be a day-to-day work also, in terms of like you being a cloud engineer or you managing the accounts and then you get an unknown task. So first thing what we are going to do is I did a quick Google and then we found this specific task, and then we are going to follow step-by-step instruction and see like whether can we sunset it or not. So in my case, so the AWS account can be of multiple category. One, a standalone account, like you just create one account, or a member account. So in my case, I have created an organization. So uh, I'm going to follow the specific instruction in terms of like how we can sunset the organization account. So what we want to do is on the AWS account page, find and choose a member account you want to close, navigate to the OU hierarchy, look at the list of accounts and then OU structure. So let's see if we can do it. So this is my the account which I had, Innovathan account, which is 0950, and this is the main account where I have my own organizations part configured. If you need to know like how you configure your own organizations, I will list the URL of how to do that. The organizations page, OU hierarchy, or look at the list of accounts with the description. Choose close next to the account name at the top of the page. For example, if I go here, does it have close account? We still have actions. Okay, here you have close. Let's do close. It's asking for closure confirmation. Please review the account closure guidance before close your accounts. Closing your account will serve your notice period of terminations part. Yeah, I can remain this part. You may reopen your account for 90 days. So once we close it, then we can still reopen the account for 90 days after closure. And then if I reopen it, then I'm going to get charged for it. That's fine. So we know this is our account. So let's me go here, close account. So we have successfully requested a close account, this one, and that's it. So if I refresh this page, and it's marked as closed. Cool. So within matter of seconds, we could able to close the account. In case if you're interested, like how you can create a new account. So same way, if you have an organization set up in place, all you would need to do is account, and then you need to say like add an AWS account to here, and then you can provide the lead of details, and you can add it into our account organization part. So if you're someone want to experiment with an AWS functionalities without compromising your security or without risking of the additional billing, then this can be the best way to do it. Like with a matter of seconds, you can create a new account, and then with a matter of seconds, you can close your account. So I just want to give it a try in terms of like, can we close it? And we could do it in a matter of minutes. So hope you like this session, and see you in another video.